We're waiting for the retracement, US green zone, yen bottom of the pile, so I'm waiting for the retracement back to 61% level, right the structure here. When it can get back down there and I get a strong counter reversal, hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Friday, 4 October 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the Aussie and the CAD, short on the yen, the pound and then the euro. Dollar index finding resistance right at that minimum target objective I talked about yesterday. I showed you this falling wedge. And I said the minimum target objective is right on those highs and it's testing. And we see a little bit of a rejection, not in a big way yet, but we can see there is some resistance coming in. So let's see if we're going to get a retest here and then a reversal here that will put us in a strong bull trend. If it breaks above that zone, we should see the moving averages being retested and also that resistance support line. So for now, this is the point we will have to wait. I think most of the market will wait for some news today and then give us final direction. But I guess by Monday we will know what happened here. So the big question is it going to reverse from here or is it going to break above that level and continue up to the moving averages? So let's see Monday morning what happens here. I will have to stay bullish. My intraday indicator and my short-term indicator tells me to be bullish, and that's the two main things I tried. Medium and long-term still shows us bearishness, but I do follow more the intraday and then the short-term. You can see the short-term indicator turning bullish here, and if I then look at my intraday indicator, it's very strong bullish on the dollar. Yesterday it was there on the third spot, now it's on the second spot. Going back to gold, irritating a little bit myself here because I trailed my stop loss to that low. That got ticked out and I'm out of the trade. Unfortunately, out of that trade. It wasn't a big one, but it's still painful. Unfortunately, not a nice one. Quite irritating when you do get this kind of scenario and you then get stopped out and then see it flies off the page. That will happen to any trader, anytime it can happen. On my mentoring group, I took another breakout trade. Wasn't on yesterday's video, but we had another entry there coming in. But it wasn't done here, so I'll refrain from talking about it here. For now, I've got nothing new that I will do on gold on the long side because we got dollar bullish, which is gold bearish. It should be stock market negative. So the fact that it's running up, I will keep in my personal capacity my long positions on gold, but I will not add to that at this stage. So I'm stepping away from this for now. Bitcoin finding support here. We've got the SEC appealing now XRP officially yesterday. So that put a lot of pressure on XRP, bringing it down. For me, that's another good buying opportunity, buying into it at a much lower level. The pressure on cryptocurrencies keep going, but I can still see some support coming in here. We can see here we've got this. I was really thinking it could come down here, and I'm not saying it will not come down here, but there are a support level there, which was small. You can see that little top there come back down, but the history didn't really confirm it, so I'm not that keen on using it. So I'll mark it with a smaller line showing some form of support. Nothing wrong with that, but it is a bit of a worrisome part. However, when I look at Fibonacci's, it gets in very close to the 61% Fib of this last directional swing. So that makes me more positive towards it again. So that's the area here that we will have to watch. If that area can't hold, that's the support level. It's the 61% Fib level. If that breaks, I believe then we will see this retest here. If I move the Fibonacci, then there you'll see that the 61% level is the test. So that's the two swings to watch to see which one turns. So for me to be buying into this, I'm going to need a very strong big bull candle from this area before I will even consider buying in here. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then moving on to the currencies, the Euro Aussie. I showed you the short in the beginning of the week. We got our first target, but we've missed our second target. We have moved our stop loss to entry, and that got stopped out. So at least a winning trade. Half of the trade was a winning trade. The rest, no harm done, just making the brokers glad, giving them some brokerage. But this trade is then formally closed. And nice profitable trade, could have been bigger, but unfortunately got trailed out at entry there after hitting a first target. In the US yen, we're waiting for the retracement. US green zone, yen bottom of the pile. So I'm waiting for the retracement back to 61% level. Right the structure here. When it can get back down there and I get a strong counter reversal, I'll then definitely consider some longs there. Then the CAD yen, same picture as yesterday also. Need the retracement back to structure here. You can see here, CAD green zone, yen bottom of the pile. So I want to be short yen. See, that still stays the theme for me. So I need a retest. I will not buy into it up there. I need a retest here. Once I get the retest to 50% level at structure here, I'll then consider some longs on some nice bullish reversals. Then Swiss yen, same scenario. Swiss I'm not after, but I'm after the yen short still. So a retest here at 50% level, structure coming in there. You can clearly see that. Once I get a test, strong counter reversal, I'll then definitely consider some longs. New Zealand US. Bearish trend kicking in. New Zealand neutral still, but I'm looking for the longs on the dollar. Swing, retracement back to the 50-61% level. Structure coming in right in the middle there. So if I can get a retracement back there and I can get a good bearish reversal there, I'll then do some shorts. US Swiss, still looking to get long on the dollar. Swiss neutral, not after that. After the long on the dollar. Retracement back to structure here between 50 and 61% level. That's the area I'm watching and waiting for. Any bullish reversal there, that'll get me to go long. Euro CAD, big drop in the euro. Retracement needed back to the 61% level, right? The structure there. Euro red zone, CAD green zone. Want to be short here, so I'm just waiting for the retest. Any form of bearish reversal there. For me personally, a counter reversal, that'll get me to go short. Euro US, Euro red zone, dollar green zone. Want to be short here. Last directional swing here. Retracement at 50% level. Look at that support. Resistance. Nice structure coming here between the 50 and 61% level. When I can get a retest there, nice counter reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.